longer, cause you'll surely be dead at the end of the song. Know why you're here, you're looking for your son. In the meantime, friend, we're gonna have some fun. You can start with the eggs that I've hidden around the room. Early eggs catch us dead. You better get him soon. Just pop in my mouth, that's a very opportune. And you can walk through the door, which will lead to your doom. You remember all the colors of my friends and me? Can't you see that we were just meant to be? Better get some more right, or I guarantee that with a friend like me, you'll never be free. We've come to the end and you better start running, cause I'm getting agitated and my patience is dying. Watch me fly like a bird, cause I'm quickly incoming. When I come crashing down, the result is crushing. I'm the biggest bird that you've ever seen. You're a bird on the block of the indie scene. And when you get see me, you know that they're gonna scream. What the solution was made at Halloween. I'm the biggest bird that you've ever seen. You're a bird on the block of the indie scene. And when you get see me, you know that they're gonna scream. What the solution was made at Halloween. I'm a fucking bird from God and Batman. God and the Batman, God and the Batman, God and the Batman. The name's Opila, though you will know for longer, cause you'll surely be dead at the end of the song. Know why you're here, you're looking for your son. In the meantime, friend, we're gonna have some fun. You can start with the eggs that I've hidden around the room. Early eggs catch us dead. You better get them soon. Just pop in my mouth, that's a very opportune. And you can walk through the door, which will lead